My dishwasher broke again, but this time we're gonna fix it. All right, so here's what we've got. These little tabs right here are absolutely just worthless. These are new. I put them on and they just break. They just break so easy. So here's my fix. This is what we're gonna do. All right, this may sound crazy. This may sound off the wall. This may sound what do you call it? I don't know. Yeah, unorthodox. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use a toilet part to fix this dishwasher rack. And here's what it is. It's a bolt. It's the plastic bolt for mounting a toilet to the floor, or a toilet seat lid. I think that's what this is. Here's the wheel for the dishwasher. Fits right on there. Alright, now here's what I did. I took a grinder and I ground off the top of the head so that it would fit. It was about twice that thick, and so I just took about half of it off to where it would fit in there and slide in the tray, or in the track of the dishwasher, the metal track. So that should work just fine. Okay, there's my hole. That tab is still in the way a little bit. There's that. Man, I really think this is going to work, hopefully. That's fixed. Let's go put it back on. I think we got it. All right, well there you go. Dishwasher's fixed for good this time.